Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. In this video, we're going to be checking out this packet that changes the color of fire that I found on TikTok. But before getting started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click all notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video.
Okay, so this is supposed to make your fire turn rainbow, so let's see if it actually works. It is what it looks like. 3. Whoa. That is so cool.
So overall, the video is pretty neat, but if you look at the comment section, apparently she did it wrong. They're supposed to be unopened, which is where we come in, see what's inside these packets, and test if it even matters if the packet being open affects the overall result. You can get these off of Amazon in a packet of 12 for like, I want to say $15-ish. And on the back of the packets, you can clearly see that it says you have to use the packets unopened. I'm not trying to bash the girl, but yeah, it does say you have to use them unopened. You also see warning labels, and this goes without saying, but please be careful. Don't burn your house down, guys. When you open up these packets, a bluish sand comes out. Nothing special, really. You know, I just didn't think it would be just blue. I thought there would be a bunch of different colors or something like that. I don't know. And whenever you try and set it on fire, nothing really happens. It doesn't blow up or catch fire. But if you can see closely, it does change the color of the flame just a bit. And now for the real tests. So the first test was with the pack opened. And as you can see, it works, but almost entirely suffocates the fire. The second and final test is with the packets unopened. I put them under the fire and put one on top. I think they work better because as the plastic burns, it helps the fire burn brighter and hotter, burning the blue sand altogether, if that makes any sense, and it doesn't suffocate the fire, and it does give you pretty good results. If you guys enjoy this video, please make sure to leave this video a thumbs up, comment down below. I like to read your comments and reply to them. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you guys have made it this far in the video, I truly appreciate you even more. You're the reason this channel gets more exposure. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.